My dear children, today's topic is mycoplasma or molecules. Now, what do you mean by mycoplasma or molecules? These are very small microorganisms which lack a cell wall. Now, molecules, this term is derived from the Latin words mollis and cutis. That means the organisms without any cell wall as well as the organisms which are rather smaller than bacterium. Now this mycoplasma, they are the simplest and the smallest known prokaryotes. They lack a cell wall. These organisms were discovered in 1843 by Pasteur in the plural field of cattle, those cattle who were suffering from pleuropneumonia, and therefore the name was introduced as pleuropneumonia like organisms, or in short form what we say as PPLO. There were two scientists named Knockard and Rose in 1898. These two people, they were able to grow these microorganisms in the culture medium, and they demonstrated that if these microbes were introduced in healthy cattle, then the symptoms of the disease will appear in the cattle. Now, mycoplasma are also known to infect a large number of animals like dogs, sheep, mice, and even man. Even in plants like potato, corn, and brinjal, it is reported that mycoplasma may cause diseases. These organisms are so small, they are nearly 0.1 to 0.5 micrometer. They are free living and they are so small that they can even pass through bacteria proof filters. Now, the occurrence. What are the habitats of these microbes? They occur saprotrophically in the soil, sewage water, and in dead and decaying organic matter. Some of them are even they are parasitic in nature that can affect plants, animals, and human beings that I have just discussed with you. Now, the pathogenic mycoplasma, they can cause many type of diseases in their host organisms. Now, here is a very important point to remember, that is, as they lack cell wall, so the outermost boundary wall is the cell membrane, which is composed of lipid, protein, and cholesterol. Now, this mycoplasma, they have a naked DNA because they lack histone protein, and they have 70S type of ribosome. Now, mycoplasma, they possess heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Some mycoplasma like Mycoplasma gallisepticum, they are reported to cause pleuropneumonia in domestic animals. Even mycoplasmal urethritis is also reported in human. Mycoplasma, they can survive without oxygen. The reproduction in mycoplasma. Mycoplasma, they reproduce by binary fission and budding. In many cases, nucleoid undergoes rapid multiplication without cytokinesis, forming branching filament. Later on, the constrictions appear in between the nucleoids, forming chains of cell that separates. So, my dear children, hope you understood the topic of mycoplasma and liked it. If you have liked it, then please do share it with your friends. And as usual, I tell every time, do subscribe my channel and do comment me if you have any queries regarding the topic. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.